Treat all my answers like Jehovah's Witnesses. Free all the dogs and fuck all the witnesses. They sitting down, we standing on business. Hey, standing on business. Standing on business. Standing on business.
2 weeks. So I've been inconsistent lately. I've been losing some footages because of space and the rest, right? So I'm on a sell on XAUSD. Right, so this is the sell. It's currently like $19 on the sell on XAUSD. So that's the position right there. So that's pretty much it, right? And I'm holding the trade. Right, so if you were to give me like a 1 to 7 hour, so I'm add to the position right now. So this is trade update of on Monday, right? So the sell I was taking on XAUSD, I lost it, so I lost about $58 today on XAUSD, right? So that was the only that was the only pair I traded today, which was XAUSD. And the painful thing was I knew the directional bias, but I was trying to catch a reversal, which actually that was why I incurred a loss. Right. So that's the mistake. So I just broke the rule of not following the directional bias, but I was trying to sell them buy. Then it didn't get to my buy level. But one thing was that it went over 140 pips in my favor, right? But it reversed against me and hit my break even. Then I tried entering again and it hit my stop loss. So that was the reason for the loss today on XAUSD. So moving forward, I'm just going to stick towards the directional bias, right? So lesson learned, we go bonds, and yeah. It's been like 2 days since like I recorded a video about my trading so far. So today is actually Thursday, and we are coming to the end of the week, right? And I basically fucked up. I think the last time I updated was on Monday or Tuesday, right? So anyway, so far so good in trading. I've been going back and forth. Like in the last like 2-3 days, I lost like $300, which is actually crazy, right? And I'm currently on a trade, right? And it's up about floating profit is like $200, right? And I noticed my account on my MT5, it was connected to my laptop, and I tried going to my MT5 on my laptop so I could like record, and it seems that I've logged out, and the password of what is it called, the MT5 is FBS, so they will give me a password, and if I reset it I have to also change it on my phone. But I'm going to show you the trade that I am on right now. So right now this is the trade on XAUSD, right? I'm currently buying XAUSD, right? But the funny thing about this trade is when I entered, it almost went to my stop loss, like dead as it almost went to my stop loss. I was risking about 120 pips, and I'm targeting 1 to 7 weeks to reward, right? 1 to 7 are on this trade, and I think price is almost at 50%. So if you check it, price is at like let's say 400 pips, and I'm targeting 806. So let's just do rough math. Price close to like 50% of the trade. Then I have a bias on BTC, right? I'm looking at longing BTC at this point. So this is a pending order. So I entered this yesterday, got a sniper entry. Price went up, then boom, hit my stop loss. Then on NAS, when I mean NAS, I mean NAS 100 or NASDAQ. So yesterday, right, I hop on this trade, right? It was here and I exited around this point. Then your market tanked. So I'm looking at taking a entry from this pending order. So I got my pending order placed, right? I got my pending order placed at that point. So hopefully price tap me in and goes in my direction. Right. So the two setup that I have for today is on BTC, NAS, and gold. So gold on I entered it yesterday, like no, this morning, like around 12, 1 thereabout, and it's currently in profit. So I'm floating like $200 thereabout this this trade, and I'm trying to get used to content, right? I'm trying to get used to content. I mean, I have to kind of like shape my hair. My hairline is fucked up. Jeez, mama, man. Guys, I recommend a hair product that can like you can see my hairline is curved, right? Which is crazy. So guys, can you please recommend a hairline product that can be used to like uh I think minoxidil they said is good but it has some side effect, right? It has some side effect. I'm just waking up. You can see like I'm sleepy and this is 7 o'clock. Yeah, 7 a.m. What I would love to do right now is to bring all my position in break even. Then yeah, I can go and freshen up and yeah, go about my day. Moving forward, I'll try to like record a video when I'm taking a trade and record a video like during the process because I feel like that is more authentic as I want it to be. But for now, it just looks like a gimmick, right? Which doesn't actually make sense. But we just have to ride with it. So I just added another entry at this point, right? I entered below this candle, right? I used like the 3 minute time frame. So I the last time I recorded price was at that region and price dropped, then I entered more position, but still, so I'm at break even here. I'm only risking at this point. So on this trade, I'll make sure I risk like another like $50. So here will be at safe position, then here will be at 50. So I'll look for a way to what stack up more position. I have like three entries, which the total I'll be risking is like let's say $25. Right. So once price closes, I'm going to enter more position. This is going to be like a 1 to 13 risk to reward from their initial position. But yeah, so I'll keep you posted. So that's just it so far. I'm trying to leverage and enter more position to make
Oh
more
my
money. So
god, look
yeah,
at that
peace.
bumper. Would have had no chance back in the day when I was on a come up.
Yo,
I
friend,
would have got airtime for that
something
number.
crazy just happened, right? On the trade I was in, right? I was up about $800 and price just dipped down and I lost about like $50. Right? Man, it's crazy. Like price was like 600 pips. It just dipped down and bro, I mean like loss. Bro, that's crazy. Man. So I feel like I'm regretting my decisions, right? So on the trade, right, the last time I updated was taking an entry here. Right. So that is where I entered the trade. So the funny thing is I put pending order, price did not what tap me in. Alright, then it went up. Then as it dropped down, I was like, you should what tap me in. I lost like close to $100 because I still have like floating profit here. I had to close them so I could what um cover for the loss that I took. I took multiple losses here again. So this is the last trade I am on. Right, I caught it on the like 5 minute time frame. Right, I'm regretting like what I did. I didn't like use proper risk management, and the time is like 12 a.m. and I really want to go and sleep. Right, I really want to go and sleep and have my nap. My hair is fucked up. My mentals are just fucked up because of the silly shit that I did. Right, so I still have an update. Right, I'm looking to buy Euro NZD at this region. I got the analysis from like 30 minute time frame. Yeah, market structure shift to liquidity and yeah, that's my POI. He asked me. Okay, I got my orders placed. Then I lost NAS. Right, I lost NAS trade. Okay, this is I lost NAS trade. This was a pending order. So that's how it is. I'm going to update you tomorrow. I'm gonna sleep, man. This is like 12:24. Did a fucking big mistake. And the one thing is like I'm trying to like swing trade. When I mean swing trade, like who trades for like days. I know that gold is on a buy, right? And the only thing I have to do is just keep buying, keep buying, keep buying. But for me to like hold that trade, something that I feel like is difficult for me because I'm like, could I say an intraday trader? So guys, it's Friday morning and price just did the price reversed, like like totally reversed from where it was to another POI. So I'm just like waking up and I check the market and I see that price reversed and I'm like, damn, like what did I do wrong? Where did I go wrong in my analysis, right? So as I came back, checked the chart and did some analyzing and I noticed that where I was buying from was what an inducement level, right? I was buying an inducement. That was why I got burnt bad, right? So I have a new POI. So this week in total I've lost about $600, right? Which is actually crazy. Last week I made money and withdrawed, which wasn't documented obviously, right? So this week I'm down like $600, right? So this is the P&L for the week, right? And it's crazy. It's really really crazy, right? But I just have to tighten my belt. So I'm down like 60% for the week. I'm down 60% for the week. So I have my new POI, which I'm going to be showing you in a bit. And my lesson learned from this trade is great. Don't be overconfident, right? Don't be overconfident with your trades. I was up like 700 pips and I never closed any position. I was like waiting for price to what hit 1,000, right? And this is actually what's crazy. I'm really regretting my decisions, but I've learned from it and best thing to say is on to the next. Yesterday what was an history, right? So I can't go back and reverse the history. I just have to move on to the next, right? So I live the moment, testify of the moment, and yeah, all lessons learned. Just have to move on. So speaking of moving on, this is my new POI, right? So I just basically want to show you something, right? For the strategy I trade, which is SMC, right? So let's say you're in what a downward trend, right? This is higher lower high, lower low, right? Lower high, lower low. Then all of a sudden price creates this low, right? Breaks above it. All we'll be waiting for is what inducement, right? So we'll have our inducement push up, then price retrace to what our POI for us to what buy from. Now, all this buying I literally did was the inducement push. Then price retraced. Now it hasn't totally retraced to what the POI which I want, right? Which is at this level. And this level is the one that should give me what a pump towards the upside, right? Now what I just need to do is wait. So that's why I've not taken any trades today. And yeah. So as I came back, let me use like this chart. Yeah. So this one is clear. So as I came back, I marked um I marked this break of structure right here. So this was what's it called? The high. This was what the low. Now we got this break. We got this break. This serves as what our inducement, which touch this breaker block. Then here is what should have been what my right POI for me to buy from. And if you check, price actually reacted from this what other block, right? Price reacted from the other block right there. So that is why I just reversed from there and like it's going to the downside. Now another way I'm looking at hopping on this trade is right selling from this point, but here I will be risking extremely low, right? I'll be risking extremely low. This is like a low setup. I can't even risk like I don't think I can risk $50 on this. Uh, so I'll just be risking low on this setup and yeah, risking low on this setup, then targeting this end, right? Maybe like a 1 to 7. Then I wait patiently for this POI to get hit, then boom to the upside. So that is it for this week trading. That is it for this week's trading. It's crazy, and this is like a big blow. This is like the highest loss I've made in a week, right? And yeah, we learn from it, guys. We learn from it and we move forward. Alright, so I still have like $400 there about in my account, and hopefully I'll be able to come out from drawdown and make a massive profit, which you are going to see. So thank you very much for watching to this extent, and I really appreciate if you hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoy this sort of content. And yeah, so this is the P&L for the week. Made a big mistake, and yeah, I learned from it, so I just have to move forward. So thank you very much. Peace. See you next one. Yeah, lest I forgot to update you on the Euro NZD trade, right? You thought the video had ended, but I just remembered. Now the painful thing about this Euro NZD is that price was actually going in my like price hit my POI, which was so sweet, like a good sniper entry. Price hit my POI, then all of a sudden news just occurred, then boom. So this is what I was talking about. Like this is valid, right? You can see this valid pro. So that was my what crazy as inducement level. Then what boom, see the sniper entry, like tap dead end. Oh yeah, bro, let's freaking go in our direction, right? You went in my direction. Anyway, I was asleep at this time. Then boom, price just rally around. Now the painful thing is, according to trading view, where price reached, right, I will still be on this trade, right? Because I placed my stop loss below. I was risking like 30 something to make like 200 and something, if I'm not mistaken. Right? Might just switch I had another phone, right? Which is crazy. So I put my stop loss like on this dark part, then price tapped me in. So as I came to look at this news something, it's just that the broker boom, like on the broker, this bearish candle, it got to like this point, like the broker just manifested a week on the trade, and that was like oh made me out. I was like hoping out boom, just pray that, like I'm live on this trade, and as I checked I was not. So it was painful, right? It was painful, and the price has like gone over 50%. towards take profit level. I really appreciate you if you like and subscribe. Yeah, this is where the video end totally. Peace.